Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to add a route on your mapmyrun application in your phone. So first you should have your application or mapmyrun on your mobile phone and have already created or signed up in the application. Then you have to go to the website or the browser version of uh, the map my run, and here you will find the dashboard as the home page. But here in the menu, you will find something called route. Here you can find all your routes that you already have, or you can discover some routes. By discovering these routes, you can just add them at your route list, and you will have uh, the routes that you want. Now we can search, for example, I don't know, just search for anything location. Let's have uh, like that here, and we will search for a route, and as you can see they will give us some route that you can add. uh, View route details, and you can have this route downloaded or add the route to the website or make it as a workout. Or you can create your own route by going to the route and just click on create route and start from here, for example, and then you will go to here, then have it going to anywhere you want. So you are creating now stations, and let's go here and it will go here. That's it. And then you will have to save the route, or you can just make some options of the route like out and back, uh, or reverse it, or you can just return, and you can also clear your path to add another one or to add from the beginning. For example, let's do like that and have it like this, and uh, have it reversed, or you can just make an out back route, so it will add some other stations. Also, you can uh, add your activity or whatever you want of details to add to the route. Then you will have to save the route, and you will find it here in my route, your all your routes, and you will have your own list that you have created. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.